This is the Emerson CQC-8. This is a knife that I designed all the way back when I was still building knives in my garage. So it's been around a long time, and there's a lot of good reasons for it. This knife is one of the bigger knives that we make. Overall, it is about 9 inches long, and the blade itself is somewhere just underneath 4 inches. So it's one of our biggest knives. And if you'll notice, it's got a real graceful S curve. So it goes like that. It's a very efficient type of blade design or knife design in a kind of a scimitar motif, I guess. It's got a really nice arc going right up to that point, which finishes just above center line. It's got a clipped point. It's double V ground on both sides. It has our wave feature on top, that hook that catches on your pants pocket when you pull it out, so that the knife automatically deploys when it's coming out of your pocket. You, of course, with that thumb button on top, you can also open it up with just your thumb, like a conventional opening knife. It has a double duty with that wave feature in that your thumb can sit up there in a real good ergonomic purchase position, so that you know where that edge is at all times. You can control that blade when you're cutting. Again, Emerson handles good in any position, no matter what way you have to end up holding that knife, okay? Deep choil, that's that cutout down here on a knife to make sure that it's a guard so that your fingers don't slip forward to right up on that blade if you have to jam it into something. The knife has our see-through construction with these 3 standoffs in the back that are held together by screws from each side. It's got a clip on the back side so you can carry it in your pants. And that see-through construction, by the way, allows you to clean this knife out just like that. If there's any kind of debris or dirt that gets in there, you can either switch it out with a stick or a twig, or you can wash it out with water. So great knife, great design, been there, done that, all over the world. The Emerson CQC-8. You can find the link to this knife in the description below. And like all Emerson knives, it's meant to be used. So go ahead, use the heck out of it. It's not going to let you down, I guarantee it.